Hello, welcome back to English class. Let's know how to use right words in their right context. Words in their context. The ability of a language user lies in using a right word in a right context. This ability enables one to encode or express ideas in a better way. To attain this end, one must be able to group together of individual word meanings or phrase meanings that generally share the same idea, concept, or semantic area. So, what is semantic area? Connected with the meaning of words and sentences. They mean the same thing in a general way, but they entail certain key differences. These differences govern why one word sounds natural or correct in a particular sentence and why another word apparently close in meaning to the first word does not sound right. For example, because in its varied shades is used to explain why something happened, why you did something, etc. Here is a list of those words giving different shades of meaning. First one is because. The reason is that, because of, since, as, next out of, on account of, as a result of, due to, owing to, seeing as, and since, as, through, etc. So first one, that is because. Here it is used as conjunction. She is in a bad mood because her father won't means will not, won't is the short form of will not, won't let her go to the party tonight. So my dear students, here I would like to draw attention of the students that won't. Very often we make mistake. Here we read it. This contracted form is read as would not, but that is wrong. This is will not. This is the short form of will not. That is won't. Another meaning, the reason is that. The reason is that. It is used when you are explaining something carefully, especially when you have been asked to explain why something happened. Usage: the reason we didn't consider you for the job was that you didn't have enough experience. Another one, the reason we are here this evening is to say thank you to Hari for all his hard works. Next one is because of. Because of. This is preposition. Usage: I had to move because of my job. Because of my job. Next, because of your incompetence, we have lost a lot of business. Next word is since. This meaning is used to introduce the reason why you decide to do something or suggest doing something, and here since is used as conjunction. Usage: we had planned to play tennis, but since it was raining, we decided to go swimming instead. Another one, since you are going to be in the area anyway, you can pick up the order for me. Since you are going to be in this area anyway, so you can pick up the order for me. Next one is as. It is used to introduce the reason why a particular situation exists, why someone decides to do something or suggest doing something, etc. And as is used as conjunction. Usage. As he had been in the prison several times, he was a prime suspect for the case. Next one, through. It is used especially when you want to explain why something has succeeded or why it has failed. And through, this is preposition. Usage. We succeeded through sheer hard work. We succeeded through sheer hard work. So this is used as preposition. Next one, out of. Out of curiosity or desperation. So it is used especially when someone has done something they would not usually do. And out of is used as preposition. Let's know about its usage. I came to you out of desperation. You have to help me. I think I should like to taste a piece of octopus just out of curiosity. Next one is on account of. On account of is used when you want to explain the reason for a difficulty, problem, or failure, and this is used as preposition. For example, we had to move to London on account of my job. Next sentence, I cannot run on account of my asthma. I cannot run on account of my asthma. Next, as a result of. As a result of is used especially in news reports and public statements to introduce the cause of something that has happened, something unpleasant usually. That has happened, that is something unpleasant usually. And as a result of is preposition. How is it used? Let's take one example. Many people are homeless as a result of the civil war. Many people are homeless as a result of the civil war. Next example, as a result of adverse weather conditions, all trains will be subjected to delays. Next, due to. Due to is used especially in official statements to introduce the reason for a difficulty or failure, and due to is preposition. Let's know how it is used. For example, our flight was delayed due to a strike by air traffic controllers. Next, owing to. Owing to. Owing to is also used in official statements to explain why something happened. Let's know how it is used. This is one of the most commonly used metals in modern industry owing to its widespread availability. So how it is used in sentence, and one example is given. My dear students, you can give more examples or you can add on more such type of words. Understood? And you are requested to write in comment box. Next one is seeing as. Seeing as is an informal expression which is used especially to talk about a situation that causes you to decide or suggest something that you haven't originally intended. Let's take one example. It was a great idea to go to the cinema, but seeing as no one had any money, we couldn't go. So, what is the example? It was a great idea to go to the cinema, but seeing as no one had any money, we could not go. So, you are requested to add some more examples or such type of words in the comment box. If you have got benefited out of this video, so you are kindly requested to share, like and subscribe my channel so that you will get uninterruptedly, you will get in an uninterrupted manner my next videos without means searching. It will just that reach very easily. So thank you for you have listened to me with so much patience. Thank you.